Hello everyone. Today we are about to see the problematic statement of scarcity of water in hilly areas during summer seasons. Okay, let me start with the problematic statement. What is the major issues which is faced by the hilly areas in summer? Obviously, water scarcity. Why this water scarcity are being occurred in hilly areas often? Like due to rapid urbanization and population increase in hilly areas, the groundwater level is being shortage in during summer season. We have initiated two processes for solving this problem, like process 1 and process 2, and we are combining the both process, and we are trying to reduce the water scarcity level as much as possible. Let me start begin with the process 1. The process 1 is about simple process of rainwater harvesting from every houses. In this process 1, we are collecting water using a simple rainwater harvesting system, and we are connecting all the wires, all the pipes together into one, and we are collecting it in a tank. We are collecting from several houses, and we are collecting those waters in the same tank, and this water then is being purified, and it is being freezed and preserved for almost 3 months. By the end of the rainy season, it is being saved and freeze, and it is preserved until starting 2 weeks of summer seasons. This water is first being entered from a pipe, and this water is being purified, and the water is being freezed in the container. The water which is coming from several houses are being stored in a single tank which is already exists in those areas. It is being collected, and these waters are being stored and distributed in starting days of summer season in a correct interval of time, around a fixed time. This water is being distributed in a correct interval of time, which provides equal supply of water to everyone around those areas. From here, Anthony Thomas will continue process 2.
Okay, now we'll see about the process 2, and this process is about converting fog into water droplets. How we can form, because in hilly areas we know that there will be more amount of fog, so we are converting that fog into water droplets. For this method, we use a mesh which is made up of hydrophobic wires to convert the fog into water droplets. This mesh is connected to electricity, so that we can pass electricity, and it attracts the fog particles in the air. So after that, this water particles is collected in a storage tank, and per day we can save up to 200 to 400 liters of water per day per plant. So after that, the excess amount of water present in the storage tank is transferred to the freezer tank, which is already set in the process 1. So that's it, and now I'll give the pictorial representation. Now pictorial representation, from this rainwater harvesting water is transferred to the filter, and the filtered water is collected in the cold water storage tank, and at the same time, night times we collect water from the hydrophobic mesh, which is converted to a tank of 500 liter capacity, and the excess water is first the water is used for the primary domestic purpose using a tap, and the excess water is transferred to the cold water storage tank, and the stored water is then transferred to a pumping station, which pumps the water to the houses in the hilly areas. So that's it.
So as we came across these process 1 and process 2, we are combining these both process, and we are making it to one project. How we are combining means during initial days of summer seasons, like around 15 to 20 days, the water which is collected in process 1, that is rainwater harvesting system, these waters are being used for these 15 to 20 days. Simultaneously, while using these rainwaters, we are collecting fog waters in night times and we are saving it alternatively. So when this rainwater is being consumed fully, this fog water comes into action and which provides a continuous supply of water for the people around in hilly areas. As we came across these both processes, in this process too can be carried out throughout the year as there will be fog fall in these hilly areas throughout the year. This process too can be carried out throughout the year as there will be fog fall in night times throughout the year. At last, these waters are being sent to every home in an equal interval of time in order to get equal amount of water for everyone. So this is what our project is about. So we hope that it would give a big solution and it would reduce water scarcity in hilly areas as much as possible. Thank you.